You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, designating the yellow jersey. This literally means just the yellow jersey, which is generally the leader in the Tour de France cycling race. So in French in France, it's said as le, which is just the article. So the is pronounced le. And then yellow jersey is pronounced maillot, maillot. Yeah, somewhat like mayo, as in mayonnaise. Maillot, the T is silent. This is the first word, and that's jersey. Jaune is French for the color yellow. Maillot jaune. Maillot jaune, you could say in English, or if you want to sort of imitate French a little bit, maillot jaune. Or in French, le maillot jaune. Le maillot jaune. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.